Very good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about connectivity of our lesson. So, in previous chapter we discussed about esophagus, food pipe. So here, from the food pipe, the bolus comes in the form of wave-like motion called peristaltic movement and enters into the stomach through a small aperture or opening called cardiac sphincter. Cardiac sphincter. Okay, so whenever the bolus comes here, this cardiac sphincter, it is a valve, it opens and allows the bolus into the stomach. So after entering into the stomach, due to different muscles arranged inside the stomach, the food will be broken down into smaller pieces. Let us see. Stomach is a pouch-like structure which extends its size based on the quantity of the food what we take. So here from esophagus to through a cardiac sphincter it enters into the stomach. The wall of the stomach is made up of muscles which are arranged vertically, horizontally, diagonally and circularly. Due to different arrangements of the muscles, movements, contraction and relaxation, the bolus which enters into the stomach will become chyme. Chyme means partially digested food. So, whenever the bolus enters into the stomach, the digestive system, the gastric juices which are secreted by the wall of the stomach are acts on the food material and makes into chyme. Here we need to discuss about two things. One is digestive juices composed of enzymes and HCl. Enzymes that acts on proteins and lipase, means lipids, to make it simpler forms. Okay. Next one, enzymes are the chemical substances which makes the complex food materials into simpler forms. Next one, HCl, hydrochloric acid. It is acid, no? It adds acidic nature to the chyme. And here HCl is performing three functions. It kills the germs present in the food, unknown germs in the food, and also it digests the hard materials like bones, and it creates acidic medium for the chyme. And here you may get one doubt, what is that? HCl is acid, no? Why stomach walls are not burning though they are very sensitive? Here there is one small experiment which explains the importance of the mucous membrane in the stomach. So take 2 leaves and apply Vaseline to one of them. Pour hydrochloric acid on both. Which one is spoiling? Which is not applied by the Vaseline. Which is protected? Which is applied by the Vaseline. Means this Vaseline is acting like a lubricant and it avoids the acidity, or it prevents the leaf, it gives protection to the leaf from the acidity or acid nature of the HCl. Okay, here also inside the inside the stomach there is a mucous membrane which acts as a lubricant which makes the acidic nature of the HCl into neutralize. So here mucous membrane is protecting the stomach from its own acids. Here the enzymes which are secreted by the stomach are digesting the proteins and fats. Proteins are digested by the pepsin and trypsin which are secreted by the digestive juice from the stomach, and lipase also produced which acts on the fats. Though proteins and fats are digesting here, the digestion is not complete in the stomach, means partially digested food material is called chyme which is acidic in nature. Next one, carbohydrates are not at all digested in the stomach because there is no enzyme which digests the carbohydrates in the stomach. Okay.